Hello guys, for today we will discuss the measures of central tendency in a group data. Central tendency is the summary statistics that represents the center point or typical value of a dataset. For you to understand more, let's take this as an example.
Mom, I'm stuck on this assignment. It's on mean, median, and mode.
Oh, Cody. We'll take a break for a second and take the trash out, and then we'll get to work on it.
Okay.
Psst, down here. Here you're in a little trouble with your mathematics.
Yeah, your math.
Who are you?
We are the Triple M crew from Guttertown.
Yeah, Triple M.
And if we help you, you can help us.
Yeah, we'll help you.
Got me?
Okay, what do you got?
I'm the mean toad. To get mean,
Mean equals the summation of frequency multiplied to the midpoint over the summation of frequency.
add and divide. Oh yeah.
Median. I'm the median toad, the one in the middle. You see me? Median, in the middle.
Get on with the median.
Lower limit plus the summation of total frequency divided by 2 minus the cumulative frequency over frequency times height.
In the middle. Oh yeah. Last but not least, it's me, the mode toad.
Lower limit plus the summation of the frequency of the modal class minus the frequency of the previous modal class over 2 times the frequency of the modal class minus frequency of the previous modal class minus the frequency of the next modal class multiplied to the height.
Thanks, Toads. Now what can I do for you?
Just stay green, Cody boy. Stay green.
Yeah, stay green.
Okay, Cody. Ready for me to help you with your homework?
Mom, just relax. I got this.
So how did Cody do his assignment? So as you can see here, I'm using the 2016 Excel to make it easier for you. So this is how you will solve for the mean median mode in a group data. As you can see here in the figure, I have already put a list of the grades of the students, and the frequency here is the number of students who have this particular grade. So for the grade of 40 to 49, it has 3 students. 50 to 59, 5 students. 60 to 69, 6 students. So a total of 40 students all in all. So now how do we solve the mean median mode for the group data? First things first is we have to solve for the CFP or the cumulative frequency of the data. So how do we do this? First is we'll just copy the first frequency here. So that's 3. And then you will add C3 and then this one. You will add that. So total of 8 and then next is you will add 8 and then 6 and then 6 14 and everything follows. So the next step would be solving for your midpoint. So in solving your midpoint, this is the formula. You'll add the lower limit and the upper limit divided by 2. So in your data set, the lower limit is these numbers, okay? And then the upper limit is these numbers. So now let's solve for the midpoint and the first set. So enclose it in a parenthesis because on your formula, it is important to add first before you will divide it by 2. So 40 plus 49 in close parentheses divided by 2. So you have 44.5. Then you will go to the next data, 50 plus 59 divided by 2. I'm sorry, divided by 2. And lastly, 90 plus 100 divided by 2. For the next step, you will multiply the frequency and the midpoint. So let's solve this. For the first frequency, 3 multiply it to the midpoint. So we have 133.5. And then lastly is multiply 7 by 95. So we have 665. And then after this is you will total all the numbers. 2,953.5. So now let's proceed in solving for your mean, median, mode. So let's first start in your mean. So as you can remember, the formula for mean is, so let's solve for that. So we have already solved for the summation of frequency times the midpoint. So that's 2,953.5. Then you will divide that to the summation of frequency. So the total is 73.8375. So look here. Our modal class is 70 to 79 because the frequency of that is 11. It has the highest frequency in all of the data set. So next step would be solving for your median. Let's remember the formula for the median. So now, let's solve for this. As you can see here, we must identify first the given information. So for your lower limit, how to get your lower limit? In our example, in our data set, our lower limit here, or our lower boundary is 70. So in getting your lower limit, 70 minus 0.5. So the answer would be 69.5. So our lower limit is 69.5. Next is the total frequency or the total. Our total frequency is 40. And our cumulative frequency precedent, as you can see in our example dataset, our modal class is 70 to 79. Then the precedent number is 14. So our cumulative frequency precedent is 14. Then for the frequency, 11. And then for your height, 10. So our height is 10. So now let's solve for this. Okay guys, so I've already given to you the formula. Point 954545. So our median is 74.9545. Last but not the least is our node. So, have you remembered the formula for the node? So if you don't, this is the formula for the node. Let's identify first the given 75.75. So let's put the detail here. The answer will be 75.75.
Oh,